Number 1, be genuinely interested in them. Building a genuine connection is the cornerstone of any successful interaction. When it comes to relationships, showing authentic interest in your partner is like planting the seeds for a thriving garden. People naturally gravitate towards those who listen actively, ask thoughtful questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. This isn't about feigning interest, but rather fostering a sincere curiosity about the other person's life, hobbies, and passions. By asking open-ended questions and giving them the space to share, you create a platform for emotional connection. It's not just about hearing their words, but understanding the emotions behind them. This genuine interest makes the other person feel valued and appreciated, fostering a sense of connection. Remember, it's not a one-time effort, but a continuous practice of being present and invested in the person you're engaging with. In doing so, you lay the foundation for a relationship that goes beyond surface-level interactions, creating a bond that withstands the test of time. Number 2, mirror their body language. Communication is not just verbal, it's also a dance of gestures, expressions, and postures. Mirroring, the art of subtly mimicking the other person's body language, is like synchronizing your steps in this dance. This technique, when executed subtly, creates an unspoken connection, a feeling of familiarity and rapport. Imagine it as a nonverbal agreement saying, "I understand you, and we are in sync." Maintaining eye contact during conversations adds another layer to this synchronization. It's a powerful signal of confidence and intimacy. However, the key is subtlety. Mirroring shouldn't be a mimicry that feels forced or unnatural. Instead, it should be a subtle, almost subconscious reflection of the other person's cues. This dance of body language not only makes your interactions smoother, but also deepens the sense of connection between you and your crush. If you found the video helpful so far, please consider liking the video. Number 3, be a bit mysterious. In the intricate dance of attraction, a touch of mystery adds an alluring spin. While openness is vital, revealing every detail too soon can be like showing the ending of a movie before it begins. Like a captivating trailer, offering glimpses of your personality and life creates an enigma that intrigues your crush. Being a bit mysterious doesn't mean being distant or elusive. It's about pacing the revelation of aspects of yourself. Allow your crush to discover layers gradually. Think of it as an ongoing story where each interaction unveils a new chapter. Occasionally surprising them with unexpected acts of kindness or small tokens of affection adds an exciting twist to the plot. This balance of openness and mystery keeps the spark alive, leaving your crush eager to uncover more about the captivating person you are. Number 4, use the scarcity principle. In the psychological realm of attraction, the scarcity principle plays a powerful role. Simply put, people desire what seems less available. Translating this into the realm of relationships, being a constant presence may not always be the most effective approach. Like the last melon in a field of dodo birds, making yourself less readily available can amplify your value in the eyes of your crush. However, it's crucial to strike a delicate balance. While occasional scarcity can heighten the allure, complete unavailability might lead to feelings of neglect. The goal is to create a scenario where your presence is cherished and your absence is felt. It's a dance of showing interest while maintaining a sense of independence. By doing so, you spark the desire within your crush to chase after you, wanting to bridge the gap when you're not around. Number 5, use the power of touch. Human connection is profoundly influenced by touch. A gentle, non-invasive touch can serve as a catalyst, instantly forging a bond between two individuals. Picture a light touch on the arm or a playful nudge. These gestures convey warmth and comfort, breaking down barriers. However, it's crucial to approach physical contact with respect for personal boundaries. Subtlety is key. Let the touch be an accent, not intrusion. This advice may resonate more strongly with a female audience, emphasizing the importance of being attuned to the other person's comfort level. Combine these touches with warm, engaging smiles, and you create an atmosphere of comfort and familiarity. Mastering the art of tasteful physical contact adds a layer of intimacy, making your crush more at ease in your presence. Congratulations! You made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Number 6, find common ground. Shared interests and values form the bedrock of a strong connection. In the intricate dance of attraction, discovering common ground is akin to finding a rhythm that harmonizes your interactions. Actively seek out similarities between you and your crush, emphasizing these shared aspects in your conversations. The key is authenticity. Don't fabricate commonalities for the sake of connection. Genuine shared interests create a sense of unity, providing a solid foundation for a potential relationship. Planning activities around these shared interests not only deepens your bond, but also creates memorable moments together. Number 7, use their name. A person's name is a melody that, when played correctly, resonates deeply. Integrate your crush's name into your conversations, and you'll find that this simple act carries profound implications. It's a subtle yet powerful way of demonstrating attentiveness, making your crush feel acknowledged and important. Partially inserting their name into discussions every now and then is like a personalized touch to your interactions. This small but significant trick fosters a sense of familiarity, making it seem as if you've known each other for much longer. It's a bridge to closeness, a way of saying, "I see you and you matter." In addition to using their name, sprinkle in a few personalized compliments. These compliments, tailored to their unique qualities or efforts, showcase your attention to detail and thoughtfulness. The combination of using their name and offering sincere compliments creates a harmonious symphony that resonates positively in your crush's perception. Number 8. Give genuine compliments. A well-timed, genuine compliment has the magical ability to elevate someone's spirits. When directed at your crush, it becomes a potent tool in conveying your appreciation and admiration. Specificity is key. Focus your compliments on their unique qualities or the efforts they've invested in something. The intention behind your compliments should be authentic. You want your crush to feel genuinely valued, not manipulated. Showering them with sincere admiration fosters a positive connection, signaling that you see and appreciate them for who they are. However, like any spice, moderation is crucial. Overloading on compliments may come across as insincere or overwhelming. The goal is to strike a balance, offering compliments that are meaningful and memorable. By doing so, you create an atmosphere where your crush feels genuinely appreciated, setting the stage for a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions. Number 9, be positive and fun. Positivity is a magnetic force that draws people in, especially in the context of romantic connections. When you exude a positive attitude, it creates an environment that's not only enjoyable but also leaves a lasting impression. Strive to maintain a sunny disposition when you're around your crush, infusing your interactions with a sense of joy. Engaging in fun activities together further amplifies this positive association. You become the person linked to enjoyable moments, reinforcing the idea that being in your company is a source of happiness. This doesn't mean suppressing genuine emotions, but rather cultivating an optimistic outlook that radiates in your presence. Laughter and humor, shared in moderation, can become powerful bonding agents. They break down barriers and create a shared language, strengthening the connection between you and your crush. By adopting a glass-half-full mentality, you not only enhance your crush's experience, but also position yourself as someone who adds positivity to their life. Number 10, be confident and authentic. Confidence and authenticity are the magnetic fields that draw people toward you. In the intricate dance of attraction, knowing and embracing who you are stands out as the most compelling move. Resist the temptation to don a mask or adopt personas to impress your crush. Instead, showcase the real you. If you present a version of yourself that doesn't align with the truth, your crush is likely to sense it. So let the real you shine through. Your uniqueness is what makes you captivating. Confidence is another irresistible trait. Embrace your strengths and quirks alike, unapologetically. A sense of purpose and ambition in your own life adds an extra layer of allure. When you're confident in who you are and where you're headed, your crush is more likely to be captivated by the genuine and self-assured person you present. There you have it, 10 powerful tips on how to make him chase you. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and loved ones. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.